This video will show you how to unbox and remove the plastic insert from the battery compartment, and once this is done it will activate your Mace flashlight. First you want to unscrew the base or bottom of the flashlight. Once you open it, the very bottom has a rechargeable battery and you need to remove that rechargeable battery, which will expose the plastic circle object which is inserted to save the life of the rechargeable battery upon initial unboxing of the product. Simply remove the plastic circle shaped object and put it in the trash, as you will no longer need it. Put the rechargeable battery back into the plastic battery case and gently slide the rechargeable battery back into the base of the Mace flashlight. Screw the bottom back onto the flashlight. Once you finish screwing the base of the flashlight on, you can now test out the flashlight to make sure it works. Softly push the button at the bottom to switch between light modes. Push the button all the way in until you hear it click if you want to turn the light on or off. Once again, you want to give it a hard push, and once you hear the click it means you have either shut the light off or turned the light on.